Imagine a plant, its roots reaching deep into the earth, drawing up nutrients and wisdom accumulated over centuries. This is yellow dock, a humble plant with a long history of use in traditional medicine. Native Americans recognized its value, using it to address various ailments. European herbalists, too, have long incorporated yellow dock into their healing practices. Today, we're rediscovering the power of this remarkable plant. Modern science is beginning to validate what traditional healers have known for generations. Yellow dock root holds a wealth of health benefits. Its leaves, while edible, take a back seat to the root, which is packed with potent compounds that can support our well-being. Throughout history, yellow dock has been a source of healing and nourishment. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature to support our health and vitality. Next, we'll delve deeper into the specific benefits of this remarkable plant and how you can incorporate it into your life. Yellow dock root is a nutritional powerhouse revered for its wide array of health benefits. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for our well-being, including vitamins A, C, and several B vitamins. One of its key components is iron, a mineral that plays a vital role in oxygen transport throughout the body, ensuring that our cells receive the oxygen they need to function properly. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness, making yellow dock a valuable ally in combating these issues. Regular consumption can help maintain healthy iron levels, boosting energy and vitality. In addition to iron, yellow dock root boasts an impressive array of antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining overall health. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to chronic diseases. Free radicals are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and various health problems, including heart disease and cancer. Antioxidants help neutralize these harmful substances, promoting overall health and vitality, and potentially slowing the aging process. Beyond iron and antioxidants, yellow dock root also contains tannins, which are natural compounds with multiple health benefits. These compounds have astringent properties, which can be beneficial for tightening and toning tissues, making them a popular ingredient in skincare products. Tannins also contribute to yellow dock's ability to support digestive health, which we'll explore in more detail later. They can help reduce inflammation and soothe the digestive tract. With its rich nutritional profile, yellow dock root offers a natural way to support our health from the inside out, making it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. For centuries, yellow dock root has been revered for its digestive benefits. It acts as a mild laxative, promoting regularity and easing constipation. Unlike harsh laxatives that can be habit-forming, yellow dock root works gently to support healthy bowel movements. This gentle action is attributed to its fiber content and a compound called anthraquinone. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. Anthraquinone, on the other hand, stimulates muscle contractions in the intestines, further aiding in the digestive process. Yellow dock root can also help soothe digestive discomfort. Its tannins have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help calm an irritated digestive tract. Whether you're experiencing occasional constipation or looking for a natural way to support your overall digestive health, yellow dock root can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. The liver is a vital organ responsible for filtering toxins from the blood and supporting overall health. Yellow dock root has long been recognized for its ability to support liver function and promote detoxification. It contains compounds that stimulate bile production, which is essential for fat digestion and waste elimination. By enhancing bile flow, yellow dock root helps the liver remove toxins from the body more efficiently. This detoxification process can contribute to increased energy levels, improved skin health, and a stronger immune system. Yellow dock root also exhibits hepatoprotective properties, meaning it helps protect the liver from damage. This is particularly important in today's world, where we're exposed to numerous environmental toxins through the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the products we use. By supporting liver health, yellow dock root helps this vital organ perform its essential functions optimally. Skin deep. Addressing skin issues with yellow dock root. The benefits of yellow dock root extend beyond internal health, reaching the surface to improve our skin's appearance and vitality. Traditionally, yellow dock has been used topically to address a variety of skin conditions. Its astringent properties, attributed to tannins, help tighten and tone the skin, reducing the appearance of pores and promoting a more youthful complexion. Yellow dock root also possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in combating acne. These properties can help soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and promote healing. Furthermore, yellow dock root can be helpful in relieving itching and irritation associated with eczema and psoriasis. Its anti-inflammatory effects can calm the skin, while its astringent properties can help dry out weeping sores. Whether applied topically or consumed internally, yellow dock root offers a natural way to support skin health and radiance. Beyond the root, exploring other uses of yellow dock. While the root is the most commonly used part of the yellow dock plant, its leaves also offer nutritional and medicinal value. Yellow dock leaves are edible and can be enjoyed in salads or cooked like spinach. They're a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as oxalic acid, which can contribute to their slightly tangy flavor. However, it's important to note that yellow dock leaves should be consumed in moderation, especially by individuals with a history of kidney stones or other health conditions. The oxalic acid in the leaves can bind to calcium in the body, potentially contributing to stone formation in susceptible individuals. Yellow dock has also been historically used for dyeing purposes. The roots can produce a range of colors from yellow to brown, depending on the mordant used. This traditional use highlights the versatility of this remarkable plant and its ability to provide both medicinal and practical benefits. Incorporating yellow dock root into your daily routine. Integrating yellow dock root into your daily life is easier than you might think. This versatile herb can be seamlessly added to various aspects of your routine, making it both convenient and beneficial. One of the simplest and most enjoyable ways is through yellow dock tea. This soothing beverage can be a perfect addition to your morning or evening ritual. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried yellow dock root in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water, creating a nourishing drink. You can enjoy this earthy, slightly bitter tea on its own, or sweeten it with honey or maple syrup to taste. Adding a slice of lemon can also enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits. Another option is to take yellow dock root in supplement form. This is particularly useful for those who are always on the go and need a quick and easy way to get their daily dose. Capsules and tinctures offer a convenient way to incorporate this beneficial herb into your daily routine. Tinctures can be added to water or juice, making them versatile and easy to use. When choosing a supplement, always opt for reputable brands that use high-quality ingredients and follow good manufacturing practices. This ensures that you are getting the most effective and safe product possible. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try adding yellow dock root to your culinary creations. Its unique flavor can complement a variety of dishes. Its slightly bitter flavor can add depth to soups, stews, and even baked goods. Experimenting with different recipes can help you discover new and exciting ways to enjoy this herb. However, it's best to start with small amounts and gradually increase the quantity as needed to achieve your desired taste. This way, you can find the perfect balance that suits your palate while reaping the health benefits of yellow dock root. Choosing the right form. Supplements, teas, and more. When it comes to experiencing the benefits of yellow dock root, you have several options at your disposal. Each form offers its own set of advantages, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your preferences and lifestyle. Supplements, such as capsules and tablets, provide a convenient and standardized way to incorporate yellow dock root into your routine. They offer precise dosages, ensuring you receive a consistent amount of the herb's beneficial compounds. Tinctures, made by extracting the herb's constituents in alcohol or glycerin, offer a concentrated form of yellow dock root. They're absorbed quickly into the bloodstream, providing faster-acting effects. Teas, on the other hand, offer a gentle and soothing way to enjoy the benefits of yellow dock. They're easy to prepare and can be customized to your liking by adding other herbs or sweeteners. A word of caution: safety and potential side effects. While yellow dock root is generally safe for most people when used appropriately, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and contraindications. Some individuals may experience mild digestive upset, such as loose stools or diarrhea, especially when first starting to use yellow dock root. Yellow dock root can also interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diuretics. If you're taking any medications or have any underlying health conditions, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before using yellow dock root or any other herbal supplement. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid using yellow dock root, as its safety during these periods has not been established. As with any herb or supplement, it's always best to err on the side of caution and seek professional guidance to ensure safe and effective use. Unlocking wellness, embracing the power of nature. Throughout history, humans have turned to nature to find solutions for their health and well-being. Ancient civilizations relied on the wisdom of plants to treat ailments and maintain health. Yellow dock root stands as a testament to the enduring power of plants to support our vitality. This humble plant has been used for centuries, cherished for its potent healing properties. From its rich nutritional profile to its diverse health benefits, yellow dock root offers a natural and holistic approach to wellness. It is packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish the body and support various bodily functions. By incorporating this remarkable herb into our lives, we can tap into nature's wisdom and unlock our body's innate healing capabilities. Imagine starting your day with a cup of herbal tea infused with yellow dock root, setting a tone of balance and vitality. Whether you're seeking to improve digestion, support liver health, enhance skin radiance, or alleviate minor ailments, yellow dock root can be a versatile addition to your wellness routine. Or simply boost your overall well-being, yellow dock root can be a valuable ally on your journey to optimal health. Its detoxifying properties help cleanse the body, promoting a sense of rejuvenation and energy. Remember to approach herbal medicine with respect and mindfulness. Educate yourself about the proper usage and dosages to maximize benefits and avoid potential side effects. While yellow dock root offers numerous benefits, it's essential to use it responsibly and in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. Pair it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest for optimal results. By embracing the power of nature and making informed choices, we can pave the way for a healthier and more vibrant life. Let nature be your guide and partner in achieving holistic wellness. Join the journey, explore, learn, and thrive. As we've explored in this video, yellow dock root is a versatile and beneficial herb with a long history of use in traditional medicine. From supporting digestive health to promoting liver detoxification and enhancing skin radiance, yellow dock root offers a natural and holistic approach to well-being. But our exploration doesn't end here. I encourage you to continue learning about yellow dock root and other natural remedies that can support your health journey. The world of herbal medicine is vast and fascinating, offering a wealth of knowledge and potential for healing. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural remedies and empower others to take control of their health. Together, we can embark on a journey of exploration, learning, and thriving.